Hello everybody, today I'm going to explain two vowels and two consonants. But first of all, I'm going to explain the meaning of IPA, vowel and consonant. So let's start. IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet, is a set of symbols used to indicate pronunciation in foreign language without using ambiguous phonetic spelling. Vowel is a speech sound that is produced by open configuration of the vocal tract with vibration of the vocal cords. Finally, consonant is a speech sound that is not a vowel, obviously, and also refers to letters of the alphabet. Let's start with the vowel E. It's pronounced as in Spanish, E. In the chart, the vowel, this is the symbol of air, from, and close mid. And this is another symbol of air, central, and close mid. I have some examples where show the correct pronunciation of these words, but sometimes people confuse with other vowels. For example, E. This is the correct pronunciation. E. Pen. When. The another vowel is A. As you know, vowels in English are absolutely different compared to vowels in Spanish. This is the symbol, A. This vowel has three roots. The first one is when the word begins with the vowel A. For example, action, America. The correct pronunciation is in Spanish, A. Action, America. But there is an exception. For example, with these words, April, April. The correct pronunciation is with A, among other words. The second rule is the combination between A plus I. For example, rain, air. The correct pronunciation is with A, rain, air. The third rule is when we find words with one syllable, for example, cat or rat, among others, the correct pronunciation is as in Spanish, A, cat, rat, and with two syllables. For example, amazing. The first part is pronounced as in Spanish, A, and the second part is pronounced like in English, A, amazing. But there is an exception with these words, lay, say. This is the rule with Y. And you have to pronounce this word like lay or say. The correct pronunciation is with A. Let's start with the consonant. Today I'm going to explain the consonant B and the consonant V. With this consonant, we can find three characterizations: manner of articulation, point of articulation, and voice. With the consonant P, we can find that the manner of articulation is plosive because produced an air explosion. With the point of articulation is bilabial upper and lower lip touch each other. And is voiced because the vocal cords are vibrating. With the consonant V, we can notice that the manner of articulation is fricative because produced by the forcing of breath through a constructed passage. The point of articulation is labiodental because the upper lip touched the teeth, V, and is voiced because the vocal cords are vibrating, V. You can notice that as you touch your throat. Here we have some example. The first one with P, bat, ben, best, base, berry. With the another consonant, vet, saber, ver, base, and berry. The big problem with those consonants are that the people confuse sometimes because in both cases we have to use the lips.